paano niya nilay-up dun.
Ugadan looking to answer. Does yes pa rin. Dropping it off. And Ladiga gets blocked. Ugadan, he just might slam this home. Andre Ugadan. Second look, sabi mo nga, half court pa lang, ilista mo na. Parang, kala ko nga lilipad from the free throw line eh. Ugadan. Wala. Knocks it down for the first. Ugadan, nakabuelo na naman. That high pick up to the finger roll. Just 12, talking about Rizal. Lead got down to 3. Ugadan, crossover. Stepping through and gets the S1. Andre Ugadan.
Grabe yung galaw ni Ugadan doon, no? Galing 3 points. Na-layup sa basket. Sobrang haba ng mga steps niya. Talagang go hard.
Extra pass, Howe is open. And knocks down a triple. His first of the ball game. Badly needed para sa San Juan.
Big shot yun. Galing dito how, no?
Those are a series of moves. Napalak from Sean Howe. God was only able to split his charity sa kanyang last 2 trips. Trying to go 2 for 2. Make this a 2-possession ball game. Ugadan knocks down both. Back to a 4-point ball game, 67-63 with only 10.4 seconds left. Rizal will call for another timeout. Ganun pa rin ba dito, John? If the 3 is there, you take it or... Makes this a 5-point ball game, 68-63. To the delight of the makabagong San Juan.
18 under North Division Champion, makabagong San Juan Mighty Warriors! How about our hindi naging madali ang pagkuha nyo ng trophy na